Santa Van here. Got my little elf.
Max Van.
And today we're here to simply wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. What does this day mean to you? Thanksgiving, that
Truth
is.
be told, it just, kind of coming together, spend time with your family, just giving thanks, I guess. Maybe you go out, give some turkeys away, give some food. But all in all, spending time with your family and your loved ones is most important in my opinion. So,
Bar none, the most important thing in life is spending your time with people that you love. Friends, family, all the above. The relationships that we all are blessed to have are literally the entire point. Every year, we're blessed to have a whole household full of people for every Thanksgiving, right? Mm-hmm. Both sides of the family. Tons of people. We got the kids, we got the adults, having a couple of cocktails, eating a little bit of turkey.
I'm drinking some water.
Getting ready for the upcoming race season. The bottom line is it's a great day, and we hope that you all are spending it the same way that we are with the ones you love.